Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to operate Tesla Model Y step by step. Start by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for comfort, then pair your phone via Bluetooth through the touchscreen settings. Use the key card or phone as key and practice opening frunk and trunk. Learn regenerative braking levels and autopilot basics in a safe area. Finish by setting driver profiles and saving mirror positions. To begin driving, press the brake and shift into drive using the stock or touchscreen control and confirm using the dash. Practice gentle acceleration and braking to feel regenerative braking differences. Use autopilot only where allowed and stay attentive, keeping hands on the wheel. Learn how to enable summon features and check blind spot warnings. Regularly monitor tire pressure and software updates using the app to maintain peak performance. Practice in a safe area until confident. Charging is simple. Choose home charging or supercharger, plug in, and monitor charging status on the app and screen. Plan trips using Route Planner that factors in charging stops and battery temperature. For routine care, rotate tires, check brake pads, and keep software updated for improvements. Use scheduled charging to save costs and precondition the battery in cold weather. Keep an emergency kit and know how to access roadside assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.